What's up guys, it's your boy Vezby here, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make your Blue Yeti go from this to this. And let's just jump right into it, guys. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Vezby here, back at it again with a brand new video. And in today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you all how to make your Blue Yeti microphone sound much better. Just get greater quality from it and make it sound more professional for YouTube commentaries, for podcasts, etc., etc. Just overall good quality, and to make it sound like it's like a $2,000 microphone. So let's just jump right into it, guys. So down in the description of my video, you're going to want to download these two things, which are Voicemeeter. They're both the same thing. They both connect together as one application, and you're going to want to download both of these for tuning your microphone. And I also have the setting which you can download as well. So once you download both of those, you're going to want to install them. And once they are installed, you're going to have this screen prompted here, which is Voicemeeter. And you're going to be a little confused. Nothing will look like mine. Don't just copy my screen. I can literally do it for you. If you just go to menu up here and go to load settings, go to the desktop and click the settings that I have given you, and it will put all of this in for you. The only thing you have to change is on the top left over here where it says hardware input. You just want to put that to your Blue Yeti microphone. And as simple as that, it's going to be ready for you. Also, make sure your A1 on hardware out is cable input, and that is it. You can tune your microphone however you want. You can move this anywhere on the map on the graph, sorry. You can, play around with this, but these are by far the best settings for the microphone quality and overall just experience when using the Blue Yeti mic. So now, guys, let's do a test, and I'm going to show you guys the difference. This is the microphone with Voicemeeter on. I was using it throughout this whole video. Test 1 2 1 2 3, test test test. And now this is without the Voicemeeter on. Test 1 2 3, test test. What's going on, guys? How's it going? And that is pretty much it, guys. You could easily tell the difference between those two clips. I just did a dry, without and with it on, and you could easily tell the difference. This is by far the best app to use to make your microphone Blue Yeti sound way better. Also, guys, just some tips here before I finish off today's video. Make sure also on menu you have auto restart audio engine on, just so sometimes it'll restart. If you do like a driver's update for the audio or a microphone update, it'll automatically update it to this as well, because if you don't, it might sound robotic and it might screw up things. Also, if you record your voice and it sounds robotic or something sounds wrong, just go to menu and click restart audio engine. Sometimes you have to restart the app for it to work. And also make sure you have the app sitting on your screen, have it on startup. If you have the app closed or off, not on the taskbar, then that means it's not on and it won't work. So make sure you have the app open, just have it minimized, and then have just speak and do your thing. You just have to make sure it's here at all costs, or else it will not record the Voicemeeter audio. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, leave some comments down below and I'll be sure to check them out and respond as fast as possible. All the links are in the description, the settings, the apps, yada yada, all that stuff. So yeah, guys, it's your boy Vezby. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to drop a like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you're brand new to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.